Hi, my name is Drew Jablanowski with Garage Gurus, and today I've got a guest, Tom Grady, with Beck Arnley, which is a great foreign nameplate part, and thanks, Tom, for coming into the Guru Garage here to answer some questions about Beck. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, all right, and just, what is Beck Arnley?
Yeah, so Beck Arnley, we focus on providing OE solutions for your foreign nameplates. So anything from Asia or Europe, we provide a bunch of parts, 46 different categories for all those makes and models.
Awesome. So I got the luxury of using Beck Arnley when I was turning wrenches, and I'm not trying to sell anybody on buying Beck or anything like that. And you'll see in some videos that we're going to shoot when we're doing the side-by-side comparison. I mean, it's like the OE equivalent. You know, it's there, right? Yeah. It's got the same features and benefits, pretty much.
Yeah, so when we're designing products and looking for suppliers to partner with, we start with the OE solution. So everything Beck sells will have the same fit, form, and function as the OE, same design, same materials, same performance.
So let's talk about component coverage here, because, you know, is it you just have like some brakes, or is it just front end? Like, what are you covering with Beck?
Yeah, so today we have 46 categories, 16,000 part numbers, and the categories range everything from steering, suspension, to sensors, coils, water pumps, and then anything in between.
BeckArnley.com is your main catalog, right? They can't buy parts at BeckArnley.com?
No, so today BeckArnley.com has all of our catalog and part numbers, the applications those part numbers are applicable for, and then you can purchase Beck Arnley from any of the major retailers or distributors, or you can find it online as well.
That's perfect. Is there anything else that people need to know about Beck Arnley? I mean, I think we're getting rid of the myths here, right? So
yeah, so right now we're focused on building out our coverage by category, really making sure we have a full line for the import solutions, and then also adding more categories as we start to see more opportunities pop up for us.
Well, I appreciate it, Tom. As always, you're always welcome back here to tell us more stuff that's going on with Beck. My name's Drew Jablanowski with the Garage Gurus. You can follow us at garagegurus.tech and our learning management system, or follow us on YouTube, and we'll see you next time for more videos like this.